Hello, good morning students. Today is transcription number 77 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, the compulsory deposit scheme, which was introduced in 1974, was partially withdrawn in 1977 for the lower income group, and it has continued for income groups having an income of rupees 15,000 and above per year. Sir, the objective of the bill is laudable as being anti-inflationary and to save what is called conspicuous consumption. But is the government really serious about the whole matter? Sir, it has been reported in the press that the government wants to impound 50% of the dearness allowance due to the central government employees. Why has this dearness allowance become due? It became due from the month of March and May this year because the average 12 monthly index crossed 400 and 408 respectively. Not only that, last month a third installment has become due because the industrial consumer price index has gone up to 453. All this is because the government's policy about controlling the prices has been a complete failure. Without controlling the price line, the government will not be able to achieve anything. It will help neither the country nor the poorer sections of the people. I think this government has not decided what should be its price policy. The price policy has to be integrated with the policy relating to incomes and wages, and unless this policy is settled by the government, it is no use having only the compulsory deposit scheme against those who are regular monthly salaried workers or those of higher income groups. But even though they may be of higher income groups, with the high escalation of costs and the index going up so steeply, their purchasing power is already eroded. Therefore, I would like to know from the government what steps it is going to take for the stabilization of cost of living, which has to be the main objective of any economic policy. Sir, stabilization of cost of living has been given a go by. Nothing has been done to control the prices. On the other hand, black market and a parallel economy are flourishing. Prices of ordinary vegetables like the cauliflower are rupees 15 per kilo and tomatoes are selling at rupees 8 per kilo. Everything has become so costly. Still, the government wants to attack those people who are only wage earners and whose incomes are fixed